Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the tool and your stance. Check the head, spike, and handle for cracks or rust. Replace damaged parts. Put on gloves, steel-toe boots, and eye protection, then clear at least a 3-meter work zone to avoid bystanders. Grip the peavey with your dominant hand near the head and your support hand near the butt. This grip gives control and leverage immediately. Once done, approach the log with the spike aimed at the desired bite point and prepare to pivot. You sink the spike into the log edge and let the teeth catch. Drive with a short, controlled forward step, using legs and hips to lift while keeping your back straight. This prevents strain. Once the spike bites, pivot on your feet and rotate your torso to roll the log, using the peavey as a lever. Make small, repeated lifts rather than one big yank. If the log is heavy, inch it with multiple placements, and constantly reposition your support hand closer to the butt for added. You finish by setting the log gently into place and easing the spike out by rocking the peavey toward the butt while maintaining control. If the spike won't engage at first, clear bark and debris, then tap the head with a mallet to seat it before reattempting. If the peavey becomes stuck, lift slightly and pry sideways with steady pressure rather than twisting the handle, which can damage the tool. Make sure to reinspect the peavey after heavy use and store it dry to prevent rust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.